You click on your Play Store and type on the search icon, and it's going to show you where you can type in. So type in CLAUDE AI. So once you type in CLAUDE AI, you can search by clicking on the search bar icon, and it will bring it up for you. Click on the app itself and go down so that you can see review. How is the app doing? Read other people's reviews so that you have more knowledge. Then you can go back now and click on install. So while we wait for it to install, it take a bit of some seconds to install depending on your network. Then once it's done, you're good to go. So once it's done installing, then click on open. Once you click on open, it's going to display the app for you. So that is how you download the CLAUDE AI app. Thank you.